Hi there folks, I'm going to take you through just a few ways of editing various elements from my freebie calendars kit. So to start with something very simple, to change the font of the month and the year that you'll find in the embellishments tab, you simply click on them to select them, go up to your fonts list, choose your fonts, and there we are. Same with the year. Click on it, up to your font list, change the font. To change the year, quite simply click on Edit, highlight the number you want to change, we'll leave it on 2013 for now. You can change the colour as well, simply by going up to your colour tab, making sure fill is to the front, and select your colour. We need to select it first, sorry. Up to the colour tab, make sure fill is at the front, and then just select your colour. If you want to add a line around it, click on line, then to the line tab, and click the width you want. Change January's colour, go to the colour tab, make sure fill is to the front, and choose your colour. Add a line, make sure line is to the front, click on line, and choose your width. There are several blocks of quick shapes in the Elements tab as well that will sit behind your dates. Again, you can change the colour fill of these by selecting them, by clicking on them, going up to your colour tab, selecting your colour. You can change the line around them or take the line away if you like. Let's change the colour by clicking on the line, selecting our colour. We'll go to the line tab and make it slightly thicker. You can also delete boxes that you don't want by clicking on Ungroup, selecting the boxes either one by one and deleting, or you can select, hold down Shift key, select and then delete. To group all the boxes together again, draw an imaginary box around them and click Group. In the Elements tab you will find there are 7 layouts of dates, where the one is in a different position along the top here. Actually, that's not the one I want. I'm just going to delete that and bring the one I want in, which will be 1, 2, 3, this one, which is where the Friday will start. The first will come under a Friday. Anyway, these work just like the groups of boxes. So again, we can recolour them. Go up to the colour tab, recolour. You're not really seeing these. Let's bring these down onto the green and it might help. Let's change it to white. That's better. You can see them now. If you want to change the font of the numbers, slightly different to the way we change the font for the month and the year, we need to ungroup the numbers first. That then activates the font box up here, and we can click on our chosen font. Remember though, when something has been grouped previously, you then need to click on the group again. You can either align the numbers in the boxes by eye, or you can do it using the Align tab. So we will group both the numbers and all the boxes by drawing an imaginary box around them. Come down to the Align tab and I'm going to click on horizontal center, horizontal vertical center, and then I'm also going to click on align top, and that's where they're nicely positioned now. This is going to be a February 2013 calendar, so we need to get rid of these three numbers down here. So I'm going to click on group again, just going to draw a box around those three numbers and hit delete on my keyboard. Once again, I'm going to group all the numbers by drawing a box around them and clicking on group. And I'm also going to draw a box around everything to group everything together so that we can move it all in one hit. So with a few more edits done to a couple more embellishments from the embellishment tab, I'm now going to add a frame to the actual calendar, and in the frames tab you will find a rectangle that fits quite nicely over those three squares, and we'll just pop a photograph in there. Not a brilliant photograph, but it gives you the idea. I've moved the February 2013 down to fill that void as well. Now I'm going to actually select everything now by dragging a box out over everything, clipping group. Now that whole calendar can be resized and moved quite easily. So it doesn't matter what size page you were working on. If you're on an A4, then obviously you could resize this to fit an A4 page quite nicely. You can add other frames to your page. And you can just embellish the page with whatever kits you like, do whatever edits you like, add shadows, all kinds of things, but that's just a few basic edits demonstrated to make use of my freebie calendars kit. Thank you for watching.